What's up? Nathan with Brookside Landscape and Design. Here today, going to build an awesome water feature. With me, I got Dimitri, Kyle, me, Scott, and Danny. Let's get started. Alright, so we're at about 22 inches right now. We're going to dig down to 30. What that's going to do is that's going to give us enough room for our aqua blocks, which are 18 inches tall, and then another 8 inches, which is going to let us play with the depth and character of the basement itself. And then that last 2 inches is just for our sand base, again, just making sure our liner's comfortable and not going to get punctured. So we'll dig this down more, so I right up there, and start shaping it. Alright, we're done digging here. See, we got our basin dug. Down in that lower hole is where our pump vault's going to sit, and that'll allow all the water to kind of go to one central area. It kind of optimizes filtration through the aqua blocks. Then here you can see we have our creek cut. We got our lowest shelf here. This will be what spills into the basin itself. Not sure if I want to cut out another shelf in here or not yet, just for another drop. Second shelf, and then up here you can see we actually cut down and into it's the shelf lowers. Normally this shelf is higher than the others, but we kind of wanted to create a little pooling area here. And then the plan for our spillway is to be submerged, so you don't even have to see that. It'll just kind of discharge into the pooling area. The kids and dogs can kind of just come up here and chill out. So next step is to drop in the liner and the aqua blocks.